this is the start to get up to the catwalk, but we are here and we go about 2.5 miles and we get to the Commonwealth Basin Trail, and then we start heading up. And there's Red Mountain, and then we'll come back down. All right, it is about 45 degrees right now in the parking lot, and we're going up a couple thousand feet, so it's going to be a little cooler. My pack weighs about 30 pounds today. Probably packing more than I need, but I better to have more than not have it in case of an emergency or something happening. So trail's a bit wet, so this is the Pacific Crest Trail, but right here, right as you get on the trail, there's a way to go left, and that is the Commonwealth Trail, where all the water's coming from. Oh, my feet are gonna get wet. All right, half mile in and we're starting to go up. Okay, I'm not saying dressing in layers is bad, because it's definitely good, but it certainly doesn't take long before you want to shed something. Put my tank top on underneath, something's coming off. The Commonwealth Trail runs along Commonwealth Creek. This is a wet trail. On Gaia, I looked and I was hoping that maybe there was part of the creek I could climb up, but I don't think I need to worry because the trail's pretty wet. Cool bridge, still a really wet trail. That's a lot of mud. If you want to stay clean, don't come on this trail. We are about a mile up and about 35-40 in elevation. That looks like Alicia fun. Hooray! Don't slip and fall, you will get wet. Such a fun log. Why not? Yay! Hooray! Gotta add some fun. Otherwise, it's just hiking. We're crossing the streams again. Ghostbusters would not like this trail. You cross the streams quite a lot. Huh. What a fun trail. Lots of water. The trail is over there. This will be fun. Pretty sure I'm gonna get my feet wet. Yeah. This is where I stop recording so I can actually concentrate. Sorry you don't get to see the action. Success! My feet didn't get very wet, just a little bit. I'm not your stepping stone. Oh yes you are. All right, we're just about 2 miles in. Elevation 3843. So Red Mountain is 5890 in elevation, and we have about 2,000 more feet to climb. Water everywhere. I definitely did not need to bring my 3-liter Camelback on this trip. I have my filter with me and a 32-ounce bottle thing. Could have just used that. Would have taken off, well, 3 liters worth of weight. What have we here? Oh, cool. Looks like there's more trees to climb over. Slip there. I gotta look at the trail now. Slipped a little bit on that one. Can someone please make a shoe that doesn't untie? I swear I double knot this thing 2 times and 30 seconds later it's untied. Because that was a little challenge there to get over that log. Not easy. I slipped, but I climbed. Oh my God, guys. It's the furry trees. Even they get cold in the winter. Look, it's an elephant rock or an elephant tree. A lot of switchbacks. And they're short switchbacks. We're about 3¼ miles up and came to a waterfall. We're at 4,500 feet right now. Can't see it through the clouds, but up there right in front of me where the sun is, actually, that's Kendal Peak. Cool. Pretty neat. Hey, I wonder if the trail's up there. Should we climb? Not today. We're just gonna keep on trail. However, the trail is up there. It's right at the top of those rocks. Could climb a little bit and see how I feel. As if there was any doubt that I was gonna try and climb. So up I go. So guys, says I'm about 4,900 feet, so I have less than 1,000 feet to climb. Started my rock scramble just a little early. Just gotta keep climbing. I'm not quite to where the rock scramble trail is yet, but I'm about halfway up the hill. I think I just found the trail. Yep. So we are just at 5,000 feet. So 800 feet to go. Oh God. Why did I have to pack so much? How am I gonna get up here? There we go. I got this. Ooh. 100 feet at a time. 100 feet at a time. This part is worse than the scramble I just did. It's got a bunch of tiny rocks and it's kind of muddy and slidey because it's wet. You really need to use your poles and dig in. Or your hands. Get on your hands and knees, one of the two. I got this. 100 feet at a time. We're almost there. It's like a choose your own adventure. You want to go this way? Or do you want to go that way? 600 more feet. This trail is kind of not a trail. As long as you keep going up, you're good. Looks like where the f is the trail? Excuse my French. Oh, this is fun. It's up there, the peak. You see it? We're about 600 feet away. 500 more feet. Every once in a while, I find what I think is trail. I'm not gonna lie. This is harder than Kendal Peak. Just because there's a longer scramble. Kendal Peak was only like 200 feet. I think this is like half a mile. straight scrambling. We still have about 450 feet. Just keep climbing, just keep climbing. What do? We climb, climb, climb. Guys, let's go this way. That's fun stuff. I really am having fun. It's just, whew, 400 more feet, boys and girls. We can do this. I got this. I think I have like 300 more feet to climb. Getting close. This is a long scramble. I can't wait to get up there. I think I found a trail again. It's definitely colder. My gloves are wet. I think I brought 2 pairs of gloves. 300 more feet. 200 more feet. There's what I think is the trail. That's not where I came from. I came from over here. All right. Down to the last 100 feet. Here we go. Here we are, the top of Red. Look, snow. Per tradition, mountain beer. And this one's happens to be my new favorite just because of the name. It's Mountain Mama beer. That's me, Mountain Mama. Cheers. On top of a lot of these higher peaks, there's a log you can sign. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign it. Top of Red Mountain. Wish I could have given you a better view, but unfortunately that's one thing we can't control is the weather. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video coming up to Red Mountain. Hope it gave you some inspiration. You really have to come see it for yourself. And I appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit subscribe and so you can follow my other adventures. Feel free to share this video with others. But most importantly, I hope it inspires you to get out there. It's not unachievable. Everybody can do it. You can hike. Start small if you need to. Start easy. Work your way up. Just get out there and do it. I appreciate it. Cheers.